सावन में लग गई आग. India versus Pakistan. The rain has abandoned the match. Each team will share 1-1 points each. Each team will share 1-1 points each. And talking about the lineup today, especially India's lineup. Honestly, I was shocked seeing Shardul Thakur instead of Shami. I was absolutely shocked. Seriously, with the bat, nothing he has done. So second innings didn't happen. It would have been interesting to watch. I wanted to watch what Shardul Thakur would have done with the ball, especially in the seaming conditions, especially in a conditions where Pakistani only seamers have taken all the 10 wickets. Shaheen Shah Afridi has taken 4 wickets. Haris Rauf, the Khaf, has taken 3 wickets. And that Naseem Shah has taken 3 wickets, so total 10 wickets. Only seam bowlers have taken. So it would have been interesting what Shardul Thakur would have done. It was interesting for me. I would observe what he would have done, whether the decision is correct or not. Seriously, I don't understand. With the bat, nothing he has done. So no judgment whether that Shardul Thakur's decision is correct or wrong. So leave about that. Other lineup was Gill. I picked up Surya Kumar Yadav or Tilak Verma, but Gill has played instead of them, and Rohit Sharma has opened. So honestly speaking, on a seaming conditions, absolutely first 5 overs the team was playing well. Okay, cautious. Means Rohit Sharma and this Gill was playing cautious, and they were looking to get set in. Then simply another rain showers have come. Full shower has come. Saka showers have come. Covers have come. Then again start of play. Okay, boom bang. Rohit Sharma gone and Virat Kohli has gone. Shaheen Shah Afridi has taken both their wickets. Virat Kohli inside edge onto the stumps, and Rohit Sharma, that ball was a superb in swinging delivery. World class delivery that one was. He just didn't have a clue also. What a setup that one was by Shaheen Shah Afridi. World class setup. 2 balls was going out swinger. 2 balls went out swinger. So Rohit Sharma didn't even expect that the ball will be coming in. That was a beautiful delivery to get rid of Rohit Sharma. So after that, India was in deep trouble. Okay, India was in deep trouble. Even Shubman Gill, मतलब पैर तो मतलब खड़े रहकर खेलना है बॉस ये अहमदाबाद नहीं है, ये IPL नहीं है बॉस. ये seam friendly conditions है. The ball is seaming around, the ball is swinging around. Not much swing is there, but the ball is seaming around. And this is against world class bowling lineup. So you खड़े simply खेलकर आप नहीं खेल सकते हो ऐसा. खड़े आपको पैर चलाना पड़ेगा. You have to get into the line of the ball. No footwork, no foot movement, nothing is there. He was not even getting close to the ball, just playing away from the body. Like that, he's playing the shots. Shubman Gill completely bamboozled by Haris Rauf. So खड़े खेल रहा है और पहले ही आउट हो जाता अगर रिजवान ने वो कैच पकड़ लेता तो बॉल अंदर की तरह आया. मतलब इतना सीम हो रहा था, बॉल अंदर की तरह आया एज लेकर, वो पूरा मतलब रिजवान भी कंफ्यूज हो गया किधर गया बॉल. तो ये ऑल्सो गॉट कंफ्यूज. द बॉल वाज सीमिंग अराउंड सो मच. तो खड़े खेल दिया पूरा, मतलब बम्बूजल कर दिया पूरा. हैरिस रॉफ ओनली आई थिंक ही हैज टेकन द विकेट. यस, हैरिस रॉफ ओनली हैज टेकन द विकेट. तो यही हाल है. मतलब इन सीमिंग कंडीशंस लाइक दैट अगेंस्ट वर्ल्ड क्लास यू हैव टू प्ले मींस especially as an opener you have to get in close with the ball. You have to get in with the ball, and you have to have some feet movement. खड़े आप खेल रहे हो, मतलब क्या खेला मालूम नहीं. Shubman Gill completely failed. Shreyas Iyer यार, he was looking good. He was timing the ball. One cover drive he has played, and one onto the mid wicket, one shot he has he has played. He was looking good. He was looking in touch, but one hook shot means pull shot only. That one was pull shot straight to Fakhar Zaman. He has given one catch practice. He has given. Shreyas Iyer was looking good. He was looking confident. He was going at a strike rate over 100. He was playing well, but unfortunately, he has given a catch practice. So India was in deep trouble here. I thought gone case, absolutely gone case. But that is Babar Azam's special captaincy. That is Babar ball cricket. मतलब जब एकदम मतलब पहले 4 विकेट चटका देंगे बॉलर, फिर सब प्रेशर वेशर सब हटा दो, सब प्रेशर वेशर सब कुछ हटा दो और ऑपोजिशन को वापस मैच में लाओ. ऑपोजिशन वापस मैच में लाओ. ऐसे ही तो मतलब ब्लॉकबस्टर मुकाबला होगा. Like that only you can get a blockbuster encounter. If you don't allow the opposition to return back and come back, then how it will be a big means blockbuster. So he tried his level best actually. Means full that after that Hardik Pandya and Ishan Kishan's that partnership, seriously, that too from 15 overs till 35 overs, not even a single Pakistani fast bowlers, means Haris Rauf, Shaheen Shah Afridi or this guy, who is that fellow, Naseem Shah, all 3 bowlers were absolutely resting. They were basically in the Undertaker's coffin. Means they were taking rest, or they were in the crutches of the WWE. Maybe they were resting like that. So they were complete. All three of them were in different coffins. So from 15 overs till 35 overs, the way that Hardik Pandya and that Ishan Kishan has batted, seriously, I thought that Shadab Khan will be a match winner and he'll bowl well. But he has absolutely ripped apart Shadab Khan, Ishan Kishan. First over itself, when Shadab Khan has bowled a full toss and he has bowled 2-4 straight down the ground, he has hitten. There only I understood that if spinners are there, आज तो मतलब पूरा पकड़ के रपटा देगा पूरा. 66 from 4, Ishan Kishan and Hardik Pandya easily, so comfortable here. Hats off to Ishan Kishan here. Hats off to Ishan Kishan. And some pundits are saying that KL Rahul should come back into the team. It's after this performance, if KL Rahul is given chance over Ishan Kishan, seriously, rest in peace here. Seriously, I will lose faith in team management and team everything. And Ishan Kishan should play all the matches. I was confused. I was skeptical about Ishan Kishan. Really, मेरे को डाउट हो रहा था कि ईशान किशन खेलेगा मिडिल ऑर्डर पर, अच्छा खेलेगा कि नहीं. वो तो ओपनर है, मिडिल ऑर्डर में कैसे खेलेगा ऐसा. अरे he proved me absolutely wrong. What a performance he has given here. What a performance. The way he has hit that uppercut, he has hit and right. That uppercut shot he has taken. पूरा Haris Rauf, I think Haris Rauf delivery only पूरा गांड में खौफ मार दिया पूरा. Uppercut delivery, brilliant that one was. Brilliant पूरा. After that straight back to the bowler, Nawaz. 6 मार दिया पूरा, 6 मार दिया. Ishan Kishan, what an innings he has played here. What an innings. Whether it was a match winning innings or not, second innings would have proved that one, but the match was called off unfortunately. But he played actually a match winning innings. He has brought India to the position from 66 from 4. Seriously, 140 runs partnership, these both of them. Means Ishan Kishan and Hardik Pandya. Means easily taking singles, dot balls, then easily rotating the strikes, 1s to 2s, 2s to 3s. Outfield also was slow, but comfortably they were tackling the Pakistani spinners and everything. Means they didn't even allow that Shadab and that Nawaz to settle down. मतलब एक भी विकेट चटकाने नहीं दिया वो स्पिनर्स को. मतलब स्पिनर्स को आसानी से खेल दिया पूरा. हार्दिक पांड्या ने कमाल का इनिंग्स खेला यार. एक ओवर में 3 चौके लगाया है. हारिस रॉफ को एक ओवर में 3 चौके लगाया है. एक स्क्वायर कट खेला, एक पुल शॉट खेला और बाद में और एक चौका मारा, कवर ड्राइव मारा. What a shot that one was. What a over, what an innings Hardik Pandya. Both of them deserve century यार. Both of them deserve century. But यार Ishan Kishan को इंजरी हो गया, पूरा क्रैम्प हो गया. He couldn't even run between the wickets. He couldn't even run between the wickets. He absolutely got cramped up. He got cramped up and he was unable to run between the wickets. So he played that shot, deliberate shot, because he couldn't take singles. So he got impatient and he hit the shot. He couldn't survive. So that's why Haris Rauf has taken that wicket. Then Pakistan came back into the match. Then again India, that Bumrah at last, from 250 he has made it to 266. If Bumrah didn't hit the last 15 or 16 runs, then India would have been bundled out for 248. That's it. So 266 was a challenging total in the seeming conditions. Okay. But the match was means it जबरदस्त मैच हो सकता था अगर बारिश नहीं होता तो. देखते कौन जीतता कौन हारता, लेकिन जबरदस्त मैच होता. हमारे बॉलर्स के लिए बहुत बड़ा टेस्ट होता. और Shardul Thakur instead of Shami, whether it was a correct decision or not, that second innings would have been proven. Seriously, but according to me here, according to my cricketing knowledge here, honestly speaking, that was a bad decision. In a seeming conditions, how can you remove your premier fast bowler and play a bowling all-rounder? Shardul Thakur, seriously, with the bat, just because he can bat here, I really don't understand this depth in batting and everything. अरे भाई, अगर आपके 6 बैट्समैन ऊपर में नहीं मार सकते हैं तो आपका नीचे के बैट्समैन भी उतना नहीं मार सकते हैं. वो मतलब 120 को 150 कर सकता है, बस वही, और कुछ नहीं. वो 120 को 240 तक नहीं ले जा सकते. वो उतना आसान नहीं है, उतना आसान नहीं. आई रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस शार्दुल ठाकुर डिसीजन. मीन्स शमी शुड प्ले यार. शमी और प्रसिद्ध कृष्ण ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल, बट शमी सिंपली दे हैव ड्रॉप्ड. God only knows, yeah. But seeming conditions, their bowlers have taken all the 10 wickets. Shaheen Shah Afridi, that slow delivery to get rid of Hardik Pandya, yeah, that was a brilliant delivery. Shaheen Shah Afridi, world-class bowler. He is completely fit. He is looking absolutely brilliant in his run-up. Swing initial overs also, he took both Virat Kohli and both Rohit Sharma. Both of them he has sent them back to the pavilion early. And Hardik Pandya also he has taken 3 brilliant wickets he has taken. And one more, I think, Ravindra Jadeja's wicket also he has taken. 1 over 2 wickets he has taken. Outside off stump, that Jadeja, what he has played, God only knows. Seriously, he tried to drive the ball, he tried to hit, he tried to attack the ball, but he got rid. So, शाहीन शाह अफरीदी वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलिंग परफॉर्मेंस. हारिस रफ यार मतलब श्रेयस अय्यर वॉज अ लक विकेट. ओके पूरा लक विकेट, पूरा मतलब एकदम हाथ में कैच दे दिया. टुडे वॉज सैटरडे, ऑन अ मंडे में भी दैट वुड हैव बीन अ 4 और इट वुड हैव बीन अ 6 ऑल्सो इफ इट वाज टाइम प्रॉपर्ली. तो वो तो लक विकेट है. गिल्स विकेट वॉज गुड, बट गिल खड़े खड़े खेल रहे, क्या खेल रहे हैं मालूम नहीं, पूरा मतलब बोल्ड कर दिया. दैट विकेट वॉज गुड एंड लास्ट वन मोर विकेट ही हैज पिक्ड अप. हारिस रफ डिसेंट परफॉर्मेंस. मतलब हारिस रफ, हाँ ईशान किशन विकेट ऑल्सो हैज टेकन, बट ईशान किशन वॉज इंजर्ड तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन हारिस रफ में कुछ खौफ बात नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. मतलब टैकल कर सकते हैं, अगर उसका पेस में अच्छा खेल दिया तो हार्दिक पांड्या टैकल कर सकते हैं. हार्दिक पांड्या ऑलवेज प्लेज अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान वेल, means he knows to tackle Pakistan well. He plays always well. Last time Melbourne also, Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya, only both of them has taken the partnership and they have won the match. So Hardik Pandya knows to tackle Pakistan really well. Okay, Kung Fu Pandya. So he can tackle Pakistan really well and he has done his job perfectly. तो हारिस रफ को टैकल कर सकते हैं. नसीम शाह तो कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं है, लास्ट टेल एंडर्स का विकेट ले लिया है बस. तो बाबर आजम का कोई कैप्टनसी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. आई टोल्ड बिफोर ओनली, मींस बाबर आजम is just a minor basher. Basically, he's just a minor basher. His captaincy, no brains, nothing. Okay, nothing is there. From 10 overs till 15 overs till 35 overs, when the bowlers are in full rhythm and full flow, पूरा हटा दिया पूरा, और स्पिनर्स को पूरा ओवर के ओवर, ओवर पे ओवर, ओवर पे ओवर, ओवर पे ओवर दे रहा है. और हार्दिक पांड्या और ईशान किशन चुम्मा करके चुम्मा करके चुम्मा करके चुम्मा करके सिंगल्स डबल्स, सिंगल डबल्स. और पाकिस्तान का जो फील्डिंग है ना, मतलब एकदम संडास जैसा फील्डिंग. मतलब संडास भी इससे साफ फील्डिंग करता है, संडास भी इससे साफ है. पाकिस्तान का फील्डिंग एकदम संडास जैसा फील्डिंग, कोई फील्डिंग नहीं है, पूरा नटमेक हो रहा है. मतलब पैरों के बीच में पूरा बॉल जा रहा है, फिर बटर फिंगर्स हो रहा है, पूरा मतलब भिगो बिल्ली जैसा फील्डिंग कर रहा है, पूरा भीगी बिल्ली जैसा फील्डिंग कर रहा है. पूरा मतलब प्रेशर सब कुछ हटा दिया इंडिया से. बाबर आजम इज लाइक दैट ओनली. इवन इन एशिया कप लास्ट ईयर फाइनल्स आल्सो, the bowlers, this Shaheen Shah Afridi, Naseem Shah, they have picked up wickets. Okay, their fast bowlers have picked up wickets. Then suddenly they have means they thought that they have already won the match. Okay, मतलब मैच जीत गया भाई. So Babar Azam also thought that कोहली और रोहित शर्मा को निकल दिया ना, ये सब क्या कर लेगा. मतलब इन एशिया कप लास्ट ईयर फाइनल्स ऑल्सो ही थॉट दैट, मतलब सब श्रीलंका टॉप ऑर्डर को साफ कर दिया, ये हसरंगा और राजपक्षे क्या करेगा, क्या उखाड़ लेगा. दैट एटीट्यूड इज. So that only will come back to bite. So 266 runs was a fighting, more than a fighting total. Like it was not a match winning total, but it was a more than fighting total. यार मतलब he could have won the match if the bowlers would have bowled well.